used a quarter of a pint of fuel in the last month on that bike. So once again, I'd like to thank the members and friends of the Anglesey Vintage Society for bringing along their vehicles here today. And once again, here comes today's prize winner, David Williams from Penmynydd, with the standard Fortson and the Society baler. The Fortson tractor was around in the war years and in many people's estimation helped the war effort significantly and kept Britain farming. That was the logo that was used. The Fortson bach sydd yn mynd ymlaen y stand rwan o the open pass just cyn yr rhyfel, ac mae'n debyg I bod ti wedi gwneud gwahaniaeth mawr i'r wlad yma I gadw pawb mewn bwyd yn ystod blynyddoedd yr rhyfel. Mae dyna ni'r baler a'r dynwr yn mynd efo'i gilydd, so we have the baler and the threshing box which belong to Society lined up together in front of the main stand there, and hopefully we'll try and get them running together this afternoon. Know about the little grey Ferguson, and there are several examples here today. They were designed and manufactured by an Irishman called Harry Ferguson, and he was backed by the British government, and an agreement was made with the Standard Motor Company, who were based in Banner Lane in Coventry, to build these little tractors from 1946 to 1956, and in that 10-year frame over 500,000 tractors were built, and I'm sure you can see them still working on small farms up and down the country today. A mae'r ffyrgu bach oedd y tractor gyntaf I gael y 3-point linkage, oedd hi'n medru codi a gostwng o gwydd I fewn i'r tir a defnyddio bob math o implements ar y cefn, ac yn wir ar wahân i'r Fortson yn debyg na y ffyrgu bach nath wedd newid amaeth fel ydyn ni'n nabod o erbyn heddiw. Yn dilyn ymlaen o'r ffyrgu bach, mi ddoth y ffyrgu 35 a mae'n yn mynd yn gambrwch cilch rwan yn y gongol, efo injan bar fel dyn ni'n gael hi. The Massey Ferguson 35 followed the grey Fergie, and we have one in the ring at the moment, just going towards the show office. It has a cutter bar mower on the back, and the Massey Ferguson 35 was introduced in 1957 as a successor to the grey Fergie. Initially developed in Detroit in America, and these were available briefly with the petrol TVO engine or the 4-cylinder diesel, but these two engines were gradually dropped in favour of the 3-cylinder Perkins diesel, which produced about 37 horsepower. Oedd y tractor yma dipyn o well na'r ffyrgu bach lwyd, am y rheswm oedd gen i hi 6 ger, 3 ger yn y gerbox isa a 3 ger yn y gerbox uwch. Ac mi oedd hein hefyd yn bydd ni'n alw yn live drive.